Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Friday. I hope everyone is doing good. So don't forget that later on, guys, we're gonna go on our live session. So yesterday I was unable to go on the live session because of load shedding, which actually went off for more than 4 hours, I think. Then after that, it was already late. You see. So for those who wants to join the team, you can see the services are on the other side, but those are the original price. We have a special if you want to be part of the team, which is ending with the month actually in few days. Then this special is going to be done. So yeah, what's happening actually on the market? I will just start with the Euro USD just to make this video a bit quick. What's really happening? I think maybe it's just quite the same as what I've shown you yesterday. You can see that, you know what, the market is actually pushing to the upside. The market is actually doing what? The market is actually going to the upside, and the trend is very aggressive. You can see that here the trend started again. The market is still pushing up. There's a chance for the market to do what? To come back here around this area before pushing up, or maybe the market can easily break this support and go in to test the stronger support that we have. That is also possible, you see. But what we see now is we see that the market seems to be trying to continue with that bullish move. If I remove this, you will see that the market actually created something. Let me remove that. You can see here it's something. Remember, this is a 4 hours time frame. So there it's something. We can see a sort of a support. Around this area, there's also something where it was a resistance. When we push that further, we see that, oh, after the market broke out, the market was playing around that zone. So which means the market actually currently is actually on the support area, which means we might see a very nice push to the upside. Do you see that? So which means actually the market is still actually trying to push to the upside. I'm trying to draw this arrow, but yeah, the market is still trying to push the upside. So if we draw with a proper, or maybe let me change the time frame to 1 hour for some people to understand what I'm trying to show them. Let's see. We see a very nice, I see a very nice move like that. You see that? But also, we also have a horizontal move. You can see there. That is actually horizontal. Even here, it's actually a horizontal. But if we push it further, you will see that the market is also creating something. It's not perfect, but it's something like that. So on top there, it seems like the market is also doing another resistance. You can see here. It seems to be what? A resistance. So the market is consolidating before breaking that. Sorry. The market consolidated obviously. Here again, the market is consolidating. So it means we might see another push to the upside. We might see another push, especially when the market is respecting this support area. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one. It seems like I took very long time there. So now we are on USDJPY. So please smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, guys. Smash. So yesterday actually we did not take any trade. The market was just playing games, but it's because of the earnings actually. So now on USDJPY, I think this is just straightforward. You can see that the market is actually doing what? The market is actually pushing lower. Yes, we have these areas where we know where we were supposed to sell. Actually, the resistance areas, it's a resistance support, and we know that since the market is actually pushing lower, we are interested in this resistance because it's where we're going to do what? To keep selling. So even now the market is actually very close to our resistance. So there is a chance actually for the market to do what? For the market to give us a very nice sell. Especially when the market is on this resistance. The market can push lower easily. But the market has been doing something like that for quite some time. So there is a chance that the market can break this area and start to push the upside. But if that happens, we're going to relax or wait for a retest or wait for a food candlestick to close above that resistance before we take any trade. But we actually enjoyed this downtrend because it's been there for quite some time. So yeah, it's been there for quite some time, so we can't just say it's changing very quick or something. So now we are on gold. What's really happening on gold? We can easily see that the market is on a very nice bullish momentum, and yeah, we're supposed to look for those buys, right? We're supposed to look for those buy positions. So from back here, you can see that the market started to push. Since then, the market has been pushing up for quite some time now. So if I go closer there, you can see that maybe whatever that we see there, sometimes it's a bit confusing because you might end up, maybe some people, they have something like this, and something maybe they're using the horizontal, but I'm going to actually help you with that. Sometimes you find out that we are, like now, we are actually on a bullish momentum, something like this. The market is pushing up, but sometimes the structure won't allow this type of a structure to exist very nice. So we're going to use horizontal support and resistance as long as we know that the market is pushing up. So like here, we're gonna have something like around this area. So instead of using diagonal support, resistance or support, it's better to use horizontal support and resistance. So we're going to do something like this around here, also around this area, and also around this zone. So you can see that those areas actually, they do what? They make sense. But if you try to draw the diagonal one, sometimes that no longer makes sense. So it's better to focus on the horizontal ones. So currently, actually, we see that the market is actually on the support area, which means there is a chance for the market to do what? To push the upside. There's a chance for the market to push the upside around this area. I think that will be our resistance area. So I think the market will be doing something like that. Do you see this? I hope you see that. So smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. It's Friday, guys. You know what I do is, guys, we don't really force trade. We don't really force you don't force trading, guys. If there's no opportunity, there's no opportunity. There's always going to be something actually in the market. There's going to be something actually in the market. So what do we see here? We see that yes, the market is actually going down. We are on US oil, so the market is still on a very, very nice downtrend. If I go closer there, since I've been doing this analysis for quite some time, you can go back, check my previous analysis. You can easily see that yes, the market is creating something around from this area. Let me push it further. Let me push it like this. So you can easily see that from around this area, the market was creating something. Even now, the market is around that zone. So which means we can trust that a zone and say maybe the market will do what? The market will end up pushing lower. But I've been sending the sell pending order since around this time here. The market was unable to sell. But yes, I like the fact that the market is not actually breaking that, which means we might see another sell, or maybe we might see a breakout, but we still have another resistance here. If it's broken, we're going to look for that buy. If not, it means we're gonna look for a sell position or some sell positions. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one, which is US30. US30 has been playing games actually yesterday, but the bigger picture is, yes, the market is actually on this downtrend. The market is still pushing lower and lower, but when we go closer there, you see that the market is trying to push the upside, but the momentum is not actually there. You can see since yesterday we were here, then you can see that the market is not actually moving that much. Even before I zoom, so if I zoom there, you will still see that we did not actually have any type of a nice move. You can see I sent this. I think I did not send. I no longer remember what I did there, but I think I did not send that because I think there was load shedding after. Since then, the market has been playing around this area. So you can see that we don't really have some nice moves like that. So it means the market was still deciding. as we had some companies earning actually, so which actually affected the way maybe the market was supposed to move. It was pushing up and down, something like that. So, and next week, I think it's next week or the other week, we're going to have like interest rates. That is going to change the way the market is moving now. And if they increase that with very smaller amount, I think that is going to be very good for the market. But on top here, on top there, we see that we are very, very close to our like higher or strongest resistance. If the market touches that area, we will be happy to say maybe the market will respect that and sell, or maybe the market will continue breaking that and push into the upside. But the market is still on the center. I know there's people who are dying to say, Kenzo, send the signal and stuff like that. But when the market is around these areas, we just need to relax. We just need to chill. Simple like that, you see. So smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Yeah, I like the structure that I see here on NASDAQ. I like the structure that I see here. So what's really happening? We can easily see that, yes, the market is being like seriously pushing lower. And now the market is actually touching our resistance, our very strong resistance, guys. So the question is, will the market break that area or not? So now we also have another horizontal resistance. You can see that from that area. Actually, we can even push that to somewhere there and say, if maybe the market breaks this diagonal one, it's fine. It means we still have to wait for the market to break the horizontal one before we say maybe we buy. But beside that, it means maybe we will end up selling. Maybe the market will end up respecting that, because you can see on the diagonal resistance, it seems like the market is trying to get out. You can see around that area. Sorry, but on this horizontal resistance, the market is still playing, actually still respecting that. So if maybe the market respects that, we'll see the market trying to push lower again. If not, maybe the market will try to break that and start to the upside. So I'm not actually in a hurry. You can see even yesterday we did send, I don't know, I remember. I think I did not send this because I was waiting for the market to push lower. So I'm waiting for the market to push lower before I take that sell, but it's not actually advisable just to jump in. But I think maybe the market might surprise us and follow this area. You can see those areas where the market respected. I think maybe the market can also do that. But since the market has been going down for some time, maybe the market is tired of that bearish momentum. Maybe it's time for the market to do what? To push to the upside. That's what I'm thinking. So yeah, I think the video is still very, the time there is very, it's not bad, So yeah, if maybe you want to join the team, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. And there we have a special, so you can check that. Check the description, you will find my WhatsApp link. Just click that, is going to take you straight to my WhatsApp. Then we can talk, we can take it from there. So smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, and later on, after the market open, actually, we're going to go on our live session with Trader Nick. So I hope to catch you there. So yeah, support the channel, guys. Support the channel. Thank you very much. Bye.